In this video I'll show you how to convert your light fixtures from the B1, the English style, no, B22 to E27 adapter. This is a set of pair of adapters from Ikea, and they are very cheap, and really with these adapters you can turn your light fixtures from the old style, the English style, the B22, into the more modern style, I believe, with the screw, the Edison screw, E27. This is the large bulb, so not much information, not much to read on this. What's important here, they even have a paper. What does it say? Some kind of warnings. So you should not throw this in the regular trash. It's warnings, and this is the adapter. I believe that's some kind of a code for the manufacturer, and the name of this is Copla. The Copla adapters. It's written here Copla E1414-B22-E27. 3 amps. It can do maximum 3 amps at 250 volts. It can take maximum 3 amps at 250 volts, maximum 40 watts. I don't know why it's written 3 amps, 250 volts, and maximum 40 watts. I guess 40 watts because of the heating, so it doesn't get too hot. It's much more, 700. It's 750 watts on this side, but for the heating, because it will not be able to withstand too much heat from this. It has the CE mark, Ikea. It actually looks pretty well made. So this is the style of that B22 connector, the English style. If you have those, but now these days it's hard to find actually light bulbs that have this connector. For example, I have this Core Pro LED. It's 120 watts, but it's a LED bulb. So I don't know. I think I should use this with this fixture, or maybe it's not a good idea. 270K, maybe I will use some more less powerful lights with this one. So this is these lights, for example, I wouldn't be able to use it because it has this Edison screw. This LED bulb, it has the Edison screw, and that's specifications if you want to read about it. I made a video with this. They're very nice, this style. And here you really just screw in the light bulb, and now it becomes this B22. Ideally you should really change the fixtures so you don't have to use this kind of things. But if you're really in a hurry and you need a light to work and you can't find this, because they're very hard to find these days, this type of bulbs here, at least I don't know where you live, maybe they are easier to find, but this is how you get it working. The B22 light bulb, you put it in and then screw it left or right, I can't remember exactly, to remove it and to put it back. It doesn't have a screw, it's just held by these 2 pins on the side, and then these are the contacts to get the power to the light bulb. Thanks for watching.